Hello guys, this is the Indian Shopper and today I'm going to unbox and review a SPARX running shoe under 1000 rupees. So let us begin. So before we go to the unboxing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel The Indian Shopper and press the bell icon to get all the new video notifications. So we ordered this shoe from Amazon India. The links is in the description. If you want, you can check it out. We'll cut the packet first. We'll take out the box from the packet. So it cost me around 840 rupees in Amazon India. Here is the shoe. The color is almost like neon orange. It looks nice. We'll cut the packet. As you can see, the sole looks good. It is quite soft actually, good for running. I have used this shoe mostly for running in the last 3 days and I've ran around 6 kilometers and I did not feel any kind of discomfort on my foot. It's definitely not the best running shoe, but given its price range of 800 rupees, is definitely one of the best you can get. Both the links of Flipkart and Amazon are in the description if you want to buy it. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and check my other videos too. Until next time, goodbye.